Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. And today I'm unboxing this LG washing machine which I recently got delivered. And so let's do the unboxing. I got this for rupees 9,500. I got a discount, so let's get started. The packaging is really nice. Let's open it up. This is a semi-automatic washing machine from LG. This is the water selector. This is the timer, wash timer, and this is the how roughly you want to wash your clothes, on gently, normal or strong. And this is to rinse off the water or to drain the water, and this is for the dryer, jet dryer. So pretty much that's it. So this is the inside view of the washing machine. You can see the rotary motor and where the lints will be stored. This is the quick installation guide, and it's pretty much all the same. So guys, that's it. This is the unboxing for the LG semi-automatic washing machine. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment. See you on the next video. Bye bye.